Welcome back to this video. Today's video I will show you on how to change number linked to your WeChat account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your WeChat account. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat account. After open up your WeChat account, next thing you can do is to click on me right here. And the next thing you can do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you can do is to go to account security. Then the next thing you can do is to click on phone. So it takes you right here. Now you have the number right here, and for you to change the number that is linked to your WeChat account, next thing you can simply do is to simply click on change mobile. So with that, you will have to provide a new number that you can link to your WeChat and complete your verification code. As simple as that. So basically, this is how to change number linked to your WeChat account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.